All right, Code Red here with Dirt Poor Wheeler. And here we go. My remote was just reversed. Voila. There she be. All together and installed. What a long time waiting. 56 total screws. Excuse me, front and back, including the lug style accents on the, I believe it's the Gulski All-Star Swamper 1.9. And it looks great. I mean, freaking, I'm impressed. Because, let's see here, sorry, phones are all over the place today. Had a rock star for breakfast and lunch, but, you know, it seems like I got more stuff. Wheel stuffing. Right there's tires on ground. I'm worried about wheel rub. Especially up in there. Up in there. And when I flex and turn on this side. Because, let's see here. Oh, I won't state that. But yeah. Freaking. I used an Allen wrench. I'm worried about taking it out because I don't have these Loctited. Big suggestion too. I just need to get some. I think just to get them together, put them on. So I'm going to go through and Loctite every single one of them when I can get some. But yeah. But there we go. I need to take it out and have some fun. This is Code Red with Dirt Poor Wheeler, Axel scx10 XJ. Till next time, see you later. Code Red checking out.